Welcome guys. Today we have the iPhone 13, which is a green, alpha green color with 128 GB capacity. I want to thank to my uncle who gave me to unbox. And let's unbox the iPhone 13. This is my second iPhone 13 which I am unboxing. My first one was a white color that I am using now to shoot this video too. Soon after unboxing you can see the color of the iPhone, and it comes with the display sticker. And the regular accessories, the paperwork and the stickers, and the USB-C to lightning cable which is wrapped with the paper. Okay, now let's go to the iPhone now. It's same as my iPhone 13 white color, that is Starlight. And let's take out the sticker now. It's very shiny. I want to be careful because it's all the glass. And let's turn on the phone. By the way, it has a matte color surrounding the phone, which is aluminium, and glossy finish in the back. And if you want to set up the iPhone, you can watch my other iPhone videos. You can click here and watch those videos. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's see in a new video. Thank you. Bye. Peace.